It's not over with.
What's going on? Someone's coming. Who?
Oh, ooh, no. Wait, how is Grace doing that?
Cicada?
Dang.
Where's that coming from?
Cisco!
Hold on! Iris. Cicada?
How the hell did that happen?
I don't know, but he's coming here and he looks pissed. We have to move now.
I've got to keep patching him up. Stand back.
That's Grace.
He's in the hole.
This is craziness. This is all craziness. I mean, you gotta pray he don't have the same exact powers as what's his name? Or she, I'm sorry.
I only came here to make him human again. I helped him.
Dang! Yes! Wow, she is worse than Cicada.
Nope.
Yeah, this chick's crazy.
Oh, better the computers than us. If Cicada doesn't exist anymore, who is that?
Someone worse.
Grace, girl.
I've missed you. Uncle Orphan.
Yo, this chick was Alicia on Smallville. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. She's a good actress. Oh boy, but how did in the world she travel to the future? That don't make no kind of sense. I don't know. How she travel back to the past? Alright. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy this reaction. I'll talk to you guys later on. I'm gonna stop this right now. I was actually perplexed that I thought this was Godspeed. That was gonna be the big bad. So that was interesting surprise. But I guess the thing is, if they find a way of curing Grace, she's irrelevant. She doesn't exist. As a matter of fact, if they cure Grace now, does it really matter? Anyway, we'll be right back. Stay tuned to the review.